So very quick video, just to give you the latest update. Just had a knock on the door and had a parcel delivered. So this is the latest bit of the pond building puzzle. So I just thought I'd share the opening of it with you basically, so you can see what I've got. It's a very nice parcel, very long parcel, very well wrapped. It's come from a long way away, that well-known country called Germany. Hopefully, your little beauty. There she is. Bitron Premium 60 watt gravity filter. So let's get it out and have a quick look. Stop. Well fitted box. You can tell I'm excited. Wow, there we go. First look at the UV that's going to go in the individual module. That's a brute, isn't it? Crikey. Comes with the fittings, connectors, everything you would expect. So yeah, brilliant stuff. So I will do a follow-up video with showing you how this fits into the individual module, but for now, just thought I'd share that with you. Take care, see you next time.